Okay, hi guys, my name is Edet Gabriel and going to be your mathematics instructor for a series of videos that I'll be doing on mathematics. Actually, I plan on, I plan on taking you from the very basic of mathematics to somewhere up here, okay? Just like I've done with a couple of some of my guys, but now I'm taking this online, okay? I'm very personal too. So please, I think I want to work on this thing that people have about mathematics. A lot of fear, phobia, and people tend to be like, mathematics is difficult, mathematics is hard, and all that. Mathematics is one simple subject. I do it like a game. I think if you approach mathematics like a game, you will not have issues with it. And of course, mathematics is something that is needed, is widely needed in, I don't know which area of life you want to mention that mathematics does not apply to. Art, whatever it is, man, mathematics is required. Okay, so our everyday life is characterized by numbers. Okay, how many tablets of drugs you should take, how much of water you should drink. Is numbers, right? How much of spice you should put in your food. They are all numbers. They are all numbers. So we need numbers. We need to understand mathematics. And of course, in the world where money is now becoming so much of importance, you know what I mean. Okay, so you need to do a lot of calculation on money. Money. If your knowledge on money is just about addition, subtraction, add, subtract, then you're not going to be doing yourself any much good financially. Okay, financial education requires that you know a lot more things when it has to do with calculating money. Okay, apart from the addition and the subtraction, maybe division and multiplication, there are other things, right? So I'm going to start this series, and I just hope you would follow me closely. I need you to have a pen and a paper as we walk through this together. Okay, so that where you need to practice, you practice. Where you need to take down something, take down something. I'm not a know-all person, okay, but I try. I try. All right. So, and I can be your plug for this. Trust me. Okay. Let's get started at once. Mathematics. So, mathematics started with counting. Started with what? Counting. With counting. So let's say you were to count. We count with not the present day. Like with the accepted way of counting it's like universal. I think it's universal. I don't know which planet you are watching this from, but we have counting. Okay, so we are going to talk about counting. We are going to use the Arabic numerals. Alright, the Arabic numerals. The Arabic numerals, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, these are the Arabic numerals. Okay, we have Roman numerals. That's where you have I, IV, so on and so forth. But we are not going to be doing that, right? Yeah. So if there is need for that, you can also what do we do this for? We use it for counting now. Anyway, that's by the way, but this is what we are going to be working on. So when we get to 9, okay, you find out that all these digits are single, okay, so they are just like a unit. When we get to 9, we start having what we call 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on and so forth. And then we count this until we get to 99. But after 17 you have 18. Okay, let me just take it through the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, until you get to 30. And then when you get to 99, finally you're going to have 100. Okay, so are you seeing what I'm doing? After 99 is what? 100. Okay, so you see the numbers of digits, each of this is a digit. Each of this is a digit. Now the number of digits in a number increases as the counting continues, right? So from here we have single digits. So where we have single digits, we actually call them units. Single digits, we call them units. Okay, and then when we have double digits, they have actually graduated from units to tens. When we have double digits, we have graduated from units to tens. And when we have um, um, three digits, okay, we have graduated from tens to hundreds. Okay, so our counting graduates from units to tens to hundreds to thousand, okay, to 10,000. Let me write that in full. 10,000 to 100,000, okay, to 100,000 to 1,000,000. Okay, that's millions, right? That's how that's million. 1,000,000 is a million. Okay, then we have the next one, which should be 1,000,000,000. Okay, which is 1 billion. Okay, and so on and so forth. But so this is how the order of counting progresses from from single digits like this to tens to hundred to thousand. So for every time let's say we have 100. Okay, let me give you a number. 153. Okay, 153. What this number is saying is that in this number we have 100, and then we have 50, and then we have 3. That's what the number is saying, right? Okay, so that means that we can write this number. Don't worry, I'll tell you why we are doing this. 100, tens, and unit, because this is 100, this is tens, this is units. 100 for 3 digits, 50 for 2 digits, and the single units. Okay, so for any number, let's say we have 24. 24, this is just tens and units. Then let's say we have 2056. 2056. This is going to be 1,000, 100, tens, and units, because this number comprises of 2,000. The 100 is 0, so 0, 100. Okay, normally I'm not supposed to add this, yeah, but because of the place value, okay, I have 0, and then we have 5 for the tens, and then we have 50 for the tens, and then we have 6 for the units. I can write 0, 100 as 0, 0, 0. Okay, so now what is important that you should know in this is that each of these numbers, okay, like this number now, if somebody was to ask you what's the place value of 6, place value of 6 is units. The place value of 5 is the tens. The place value of 0 is the 100. The place value of 2 is the 1,000. Okay, just like in this case, the place value of 3 is units. The place value of 5 is tens, and the place value of 1 is 100. Okay, so that's the importance of all those. We are going to need this knowledge. Okay, so I have, in this video now, I have told you about counting, why this is called Arabic numerals. They are probably because of where it originated from, of course, where it originated from. And then I told you that we have units in the counting. In counting, okay, we progress from units to tens to 100 to 1,000, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is the basic operation in counting. Basic operation in counting. All right.